2022 Jeep Wagoneer coming to SEMA, possibly with bunkers upgrades. The company wants to work with accessory. People love to modify their Jeeps, and the company is betting for that to be true for the new Wagoneer, too. Expect to see one with loads of upgrades at this year's SEMA show in November, or at least a virtual event like last year. Get ready to see the Wagoneer at SEMA, Jeep brand CEO Christian Meny told Muscle Cars and Trucks. I think people are going to go nuts with it, and we want them to go nuts. That's part of the culture. We're talking and debating about having some aftermarket people come earlier to be ready to start working on their programs. Meny predicts that Wagoneer buyers could be more interested in modding their SUV, rather than the more expensive and luxury-focused Grand Wagoneer. He's expecting some people might build full overlanding rigs out of the model. Stellantis in-house accessory brand Mopa is likely to supply some of these parts. Meny's statement about having some aftermarket people come earlier suggests the company is eager to work with third-party companies, too. The new Wagoneer arrives with what should be impressive off-road capability based on the specs. The standard model a mild hybrid-assisted 5.7-liter V8, and the Grand Wagoneer gets the 6.4-liter V8. Both use an 8-speed automatic. Depending on a customer's needs, the SUV is available with rear-wheel drive or 3 all-wheel drive systems. Quadra-Track is full-time 4-wheel drive with a single-speed transfer case. Quadra-Track 2 adds a low range, and Quadra-Drive 2 further ups the ante with an electronic limited-slip differential. Jeep also has an optional Quadra-Lift air suspension system that allows for up to 10.1 inches of ground clearance. An available advanced all-terrain package adds 4 steel skid plates to protect the underbody components. The Wagoneer will start at $57,995, and the Grand Wagoneer will be $86,995. The range-topping Grand Wagoneer Obsidian will cost an eye-watering $98,995. Deliveries will start in the summer.